A surgeon carrying out a clear lens exchange consultation would want to ensure every patient has the appropriate treatment to suit their visual and lifestyle needs, which is why determining suitability for the procedure is so important. During the consultation, you will have many tests and various examinations to ensure the best possible outcome, many of which will be familiar from routine eye examinations. More advanced scanning includes equipment such as an orb scan and pentacam, which collectively gather information from 9,000 points across the cornea, the front of the eye, and provide 3D analysis assessing corneal health, curvature and thickness. An IOL master is used to obtain a series of individual measurements, enabling an accurate calculation of the intended lens implant power.